We can use the mouseX, mouseY built-in variables to animate compound shapes the same way we used integer and float variables. We do that by using algebraic expressions to represent the x and y coordinates of the geometric shapes inside our compound shape. So I'm going to start out by saying void setup, open close parentheses, open my curly bracket, close a curly bracket, and void draw. Same thing. And then in setup, I'll put my size. And as I don't want my compound shape to leave a trail, I'm going to put my background inside void draw, so I only see the one covered over by all the background, so it appears to be one object moving. Next, I need to pick a compound object to animate. I'm going to pick an ice cream cone because I am hungry. So my first job will be to pick my flavor of ice cream. I'm going to pick strawberry. I'm going to copy this pink color. Then next, I'm going to make an ellipse, and I just need to I'm going to use actual numbers to make one item, and then I'm going to sub in the mouseX and mouseY values using algebraic expressions for all those x and y coordinates. So I'm just going to make my first one at 100, 100 because it's easy to do some arithmetic with those numbers. And then I guess I'll make it 50 by 50 pixels. So that looks like this. Ooh, I'm going to actually add a no stroke in there too. So it looks better. What do you think? Yes, so much better. All right, then next I'm going to make a triangle. For the cone, I need to pick a cone color. Seems good. And then I'm going to make a triangle. I'm going to start at 100, and then, oh no, wait. I'm going to start, since it's a 50 by 50 pixel ellipse, I'm going to start 25, so half of 50 pixels left of the horizontal center, so that's 75, and then 100 pixels down for sort of the middle. Then I'm going to go 25 pixels right of center horizontally for 125, again 100 pixels down, and then in the middle I'll be 100 pixels horizontally right below that center horizontally. Then I don't know, let's say 175 pixels down. Right, seems fine. And then maybe I'll give it a cherry just for one other shape to animate. So 25500 is red, and then an ellipse at, again, it's 50 by 50, so I want it 25 pixels, half that distance, smaller than the Y value here, so I'll say 75 pixels, and still centered, oops, so I want it centered horizontally, so that's 100 pixels right in the center, and 75 pixels from the top of the screen, and then 10 pixels by 10 pixels. Let's see. All right, great. So now I don't need to declare or initialize any variables. I just need to sub in mouseX. I'll do all the mouseX's first and the mouseY's for one of my values, and then write algebraic expressions that relate the mouse x value, the x coordinate, to all the other x coordinates in the shape. So I've got 3 different x coordinates in my triangle. 1, 2, 3, and then another one in the cherry. So if I say mouse x is equal to 100 right now, then when mouse x is equal to 100, 75 would be the same thing as mouse x minus 25. And 125 would be the same thing as mouse x plus 25. And 100 would just be plain old mouse x. Same thing here, 100 would be mouse x. Now let's do the mouse y's. 100 is mouse y. So 100, same thing, mouse y. 100, Same thing, mouseY. And 175 is mouseY plus 75. Down here, this is a y value, would be mouseY minus 25. So now if I play this, my compound shape will follow my cursor, these values of mouseX, mouseY.